Hello guys, welcome to Technology's new video. Today we will teach you about an AI platform. You can use this platform to generate code of any programming language. This platform is ZZCode.ai. Go to ZZCode.ai. Now scroll down and go to AI code generator. You can use code converter, answer questions, code generator, AI code explorer. There are different tools. It's just like a heaven for a programmer when you can generate documentation. Today we will go to code generator, support them because it's a free platform. Go to code AI code generator. Here type the language you want, programming language. I'm typing Python, and here I will be typing the prompt for the program. It's write a program that takes an integer as input and display its factorial. I'm just writing a basic example. You can also write complex codes with it. Select the options and click execute. Here it's code. Copy the code and go to your compiler. I'm using an online compiler. You can also download PyCharm or any other compiler. Paste the code here. Now run the code. Now it's asking for an input. For example, I type 9 and here it's factorial. To give your feedback and share your prompt on social media. You can ask more questions in the comment box to explore more about this AI platform or any other platform. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment box about your feedback. Thanks for watching.